Let's take a look at shell operators. So shell operators is fantastic because it powers up your power within Linux. So there are some things important that are worth noting when using shell operators. You can run programs in the background using the ampersand operator. So when you start some program and you press ampersand, you'll see it's running in the background. Now in case of the list command, it immediately returns the output, but some commands they can be very slow, or maybe it's some program that runs in the background. So using the ampersand, you can do that. You can combine multiple commands. So for example with the double ampersand, that combines two ampersands, and similarly you can use the semicolon, so date. So that's how you can run two or more commands at once, how you can combine them. Linux also has a redirect operator. A redirect operator takes the output of the commands and puts it anywhere, such as a file. For example, we can list the current files and directories with the ls command, then use the redirect operator, which is greater than, and we can save it into any file. So let's say files.txt. Now if we list the files in the directory, you'll see it created the files.txt, and if we output the contents of that file, you'll see the command output is stored into that. Now you can do that for any command, for example who am I, redirect it to, let's say, me.txt. Now we can output that file content, and you'll see output Kali, and that is because the output of who am I is Kali. So the output of a command can be stored by using the redirect operator, the greater than operator. So that is important operators that you can use on Linux, and of course you can also immediately output something to the file. So let's say echo, and you can type whatever you want. Then we're going to redirect it to notes.txt. List the file contents, and let's output it now. So cat notes.txt, and you'll see the file content is now whatever we echoed, so any command output can be stored into a file using the redirect operator. So we can save output anything using the redirect operator, for example the date, and I'm going to output it to time.txt. There is another operator which is actually the combined, so two greater thans, and what it does is instead of overwrite the file, it adds it to the bottom of the line, so the command output is then added to the bottom of the line. Now if we output the file, so a single one overwrites the existing file. So if we just put the single redirect operator and output it, you'll see it overwrites the file. But if you do it instead, use two of those, two greater thans. So this is a special operator, then it adds to the bottom of the line. So now you'll see we can write it several times, cat the output, and you'll see now it just adds it to the bottom of the line. Of course it doesn't have to be just one command, so I can add who am I to time.txt or whichever command, and it adds that to the bottom of that file, so you'll see all of the contents is added to the bottom of that file. So those are different operators, the ampersand operator, double ampersand, semicolon, redirect, and the add to the bottom of the line operator. So that's it for now guys. Thank you, see you in the next video.